In Synkronizer, you can compare multiple worksheets at once. Let me show you how that works. First, we need to open the workbooks we like to compare. By default, Synkronizer matches the worksheets based on the worksheet name. If the worksheet name is identical, it will be shown in this list as a match and therefore to be able to be compared. If you click on this drop-down menu here, you see the matching sheets, and up here is a worksheet that could not have been matched. You can match them manually by clicking on it and by selecting from this drop-down menu the matching worksheet. In this case, it is cells A that matches cells B. Click on it and then click on the red arrow, and it is shown in the list here to be matching and to be compared. If you like to exclude worksheets from the comparison, simply click on the X and it will be excluded. If you like to clear this list, click on the trash can and the list is empty. Now you can select manually which worksheets you like to compare. Always click the red arrow to have them included. If you like to include all the matching worksheets again, click on the red double arrow and the worksheets that were able to match automatically are shown in this list again. All you need to do now is to decide which worksheet you would like to compare how. Either as a simple worksheet or as a database. In our example, we have only the customer list, which is a database. So click on the database and decide which one is the primary key. Let's say it is the customer name, select it, click on the plus, and it is the city, click on the plus. The header row is decided on row number 1, which is correct. The header row is on row number 1. And with this we are good to go and start the comparison process. Click on the start icon and it compares all the selected worksheets. If you have a very long list of worksheets, you can make this window a bit bigger by dragging it down. And these are the compared worksheets, and here are the differences based on each worksheet. Click on the worksheet and click on the difference, and you can start updating, merging, or deleting the differences. That's it, how to work with multiple worksheets within one task. Thank you for watching.